Hey everyone, I'm here today to talk to you about Google Business Profile. And specifically today we're going to talk about reviews. Reviews are a really important part of your Google Business Profile, and it's an opportunity for you to collect testimonials about what you do and the great work that you're doing for customers. Now, a lot of people are not paying attention to this. A lot of people are not actively asking for reviews, but every time you have a customer encounter, it's an opportunity for you to ask for a review. And it's a way that customers tell the story about their interactions with you, and they basically help sell to the next person that's looking for your business if they want to work with you and they like the interaction. So whenever you encounter a customer and you have an opportunity to provide them service, ask them if they were happy with the service. If they're happy, awesome. Ask them for a review. If they're not happy, stop and figure out how you can remedy that situation. But I would still ask for a review regardless, but you want to understand how you're doing for your customer. If you're not doing the job, you're not living up to your commitments, you're not meeting your commitments, that's something you want to know regardless of whether it comes through a review or not. But ask for the reviews when you have these encounters. If you get a positive review, great. Respond to that positive review. Make it personal. Talk about, like, if the person bought something specifically from you. I'm showing you Original Turkey, and they're a great restaurant in the Reading Terminal Market if you're looking for a spot. They've been around for a long time, and I'm using their profile because they've been around for so long and they only have 93 reviews. They easily get 93 people that come through their little stand in the Reading Terminal Market every day. Easily. They probably have hundreds and hundreds of people that are coming to them. But every time that they encounter a customer, it's an opportunity for them to ask for a review. It could be on the bottom of a receipt. It could be like, hey, leave us a review on Google. We'd love to hear about what you think about our sandwiches. It could be a little sign that they put out there to prompt people to think about, oh, maybe I want to review them on Google. So that's a way for people that are having these sandwiches, experiencing them, having a good experience, to tell the story. People that are having negative experiences are 33% more likely to leave a negative review on your business. So if you're asking everyone that comes to your business to leave you a review, and you know that 95 to 99% of these encounters that you have are positive encounters, you're going to represent what you're doing for your business. And the people that are having a negative experience, obviously we want to handle that and we want to manage that. And I'll talk about that in a second. We want to handle that, but it's going to give a true representation of the service you're delivering and what other people could expect. So that's for positive reviews. On negative reviews, if you do have a negative review, I wouldn't freak out. First of all, I would see if there's an opportunity for me to have a conversation with that customer offline. One, understand what the problem is. Two, is it something that you can fix? If there's something that you can do to do right by the customer, do that. Why wouldn't you do that? Like, it helps your brand, it helps the customer, and you want them as a future customer. If you damage the relationship and you don't make good on your commitments, it's going to damage your business in the long term, because it will happen not only this time. If it continues to happen, word's going to get out about you and people aren't going to trust your business. So see what you can do to remedy it. Obviously, like, there's some things that can't be remedied, or people aren't willing to work with you and they just want to write you off. In that instance, you want to try, and if you can remedy it for the person, I would do that, and then you can update your response and you can say, I'm glad we had the opportunity to talk. I'm so sorry that we had this issue. We want to apologize. Two, here's what we did to remedy the situation for you, and thanks so much for working with us, and I apologize again that we ran into this issue. Apologizing disarms the other person, and after you apologize, like, what else are you going to say? Like, you're really angry, I get it, you've already said you're angry, so apologize and be sincere about it, obviously, but you want to try to let people know the story. Like, you talked to the person, you did what you could do, and you want to document it out there so that way they know you heard the complaint, you took it seriously, and you engaged with the customer. And three, you did the best you could to resolve it. Some people might be angry, some people may never want to resolve it, and those you're never going to fix, but you can tell the story to the best of your ability. Obviously, you don't want to bash the customer. Some people are going to come in and bash you. the best way to handle those is if it's a personal attack or something like that, you can report that to Google and you can say this violates your terms. If they attack a person by name, that's definitely something that you can report as well. So just some tips on Google reviews. Hopefully this is helpful and it helps your business. If you have any questions at all about reviews, how you can get more out of reviews, and how you can request them, or just any questions at all regarding reviews, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear. If you are getting reviews and you're using a strategy like this and it's working for you, tell us about it. I'd love to hear about it. Until next time, thanks so much. Really appreciate it, and I'll talk to you all soon.